Hello students, it is a question in GATE 2018 from the subject programming for 2 marks. Here there is a function count which is taking two arguments x and y and some logic is mentioned. And the question is the number of times the print statement is executed by the call count of 1024. So where is the print statement in the program? Here is a print statement. Means question is how many times this print statement is going to be executed. I will explain you clearly. When the first time the count function is called with values 1024, 1024. So that the value of x and y, say this is x and this is y. So means x and y values are 1024 and 1024. And now after it entering into the function block, value of y, that is 1024 greater than equal to 1, true. So that is entering into the inner block. X 1024 not equal to 1. Yeah, the condition is y not equal to 1, x not equal to 1, means 1024 not equal to 1. Then 24 not equal to 1. Both the conditions are true, so that for the first time it is going to print star for the first time. After print, there is a statement called count of x by 2. What is x? 1024. So 1024 by 2, it is 512. Comma y value is not changing. Just observe this point. So that again count is called with x is 512 and y is 1024. And because y not equal to 1, x not equal to 1, y is 1024, x is 512, both are not equal to 1, true. So that again it executes the printf statement. So printf statement executes and prints star, and again it will call the count function, count of x by 2, means 512 by 2, it is 256, and 1024 is as it is. Here you observe a point. First x is 1024, next x is half, that is 512, next x is again half, 256. It is mean that every time x is divided by 2, making it to half. So it is similar to a binary search algorithm, so that how many times this count is going to be called? Log 1024 base 2 times. What is log 1024? This is log 2 power 10 base 2. It means that this count is called when x is 1024, 512, 256 and so on until it becomes 1. So until it becomes 1, it is going to repeat for 10 times. Means next time 256, it goes to 128. Again count is called with 128, 1024. And observe y is not changed. Next 64, 1024. Next 32, 1024. Similarly 16, 1024. 8, 4, 2 and 1. Whenever it is 1, this condition is going to be failed. Means whenever x is 1 not equal to 1, condition is failed. Because this condition is failed, it goes to else part. After it is going into else part, y is becoming reduced to 1. So means initially y is 1024. Okay, then it is subtracted with 1, so that it becomes 1023. Again it is calling the count function. Now again it is going to call the count with 1024 y. Again the next step, it is calling the count with x and y, 1024 y. What is a y now? 1023. So means now x is 1024, y is 1023. So again count is called. Again this count will repeat for how many times? 10 times. After 10 times, again when x becomes 1, this condition is failed, it goes to else part. Y is going to become 1022 and y is 1022. Again it calls the function count of, what function it is going to call? Count of 1024 comma y. So means again it is going to call count of 1024 comma y. What is y now? 1022. Again it is repeated for 10 times. So how long it is going to repeat? Until this y, whatever y is there, which is reducing by 1 after false part, 1024, 2023, 22, like this, dot dot dot, until it becomes 1. Whenever y becomes 1, this condition is going to fail, and after 10 times this condition is failed. So that both the conditions are failed means it is exiting from the count function. It means this first inner loop, whatever is there, it is called for 10 times, and this 10 times is called for when y started with 1024 to 1. It means it is repeating for how many times? 1023 times, upper one. Okay, this one, it is repeating for 1023 times. I am calling it is 1023, my dear, not 1024, because when y is becoming 1, it is stopping the execution. And for each of the time this is executing, inner loop is executing for 10 times. It means totally how many times it is executing? 1023 into 10, which is equals to 10,230 times the printf statement is going to be executed. So answer for this question is 10,230 is the answer for this question.